Hey guys, welcome back to Dying for Color. This is your girl Star. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys this lash extension nightmare. So this client right here was in the salon getting her hair done by one of my good friends, and she was telling my friend that she got these extensions done by this one lash artist and they were very painful and she wanted to get them removed, but she didn't know who to go to get them removed. So my friend hit me up and was like, hey, I have a lash extension emergency. Can you bring your stuff to the salon? Because I do lash extensions out of my house, out of my home studio. So when I came to the salon, I seen this right here. I was not expecting this. This is so bad, guys. You definitely need to do your research on who is your lash artist and what lashes she uses. And I know the lash artist who actually did this set. She's definitely not a lash artist, but she says she is. But it's so crazy. Just looking at it just looks so painful. She was in a lot of pain and they're very clumpy. And these are lash tabs. These are not lash extensions. As you can see right here, as I removed them, you can see the tabs at the end. And she was charged $200 for this set. Lash tabs do not cost $200. Like, they do not cost $200. It's a cheaper way of doing lash extensions and it's very damaging to your natural lashes. You can see some of her lashes actually came off right here. They came off with these lash tabs. It was so hard to get it off. And yeah, oh my god, this was such a crazy experience. I'm still pretty new. I've been doing lash extensions for about 7-8 months now, and this is the aftermath of after I removed everything. So hopefully you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.